Very good morning, students. Yes, so let's start exercises of section B. So, yes, first one is which output device allows you to record sound? Option A is microphone, second one is speaker, and third one is monitor. So, which one is right option? Microphone device allow you to record sound, and microphone is a output device. Okay, so option number A is correct. Yes. Second one is which device is used to control the movement of the pointer on a laptop? Touchpad, trackball, touch screen. Touchpad device is used to control the movement of the pointer on a laptop. So option number A is true. Third one is the maximum capacity of a multimedia card is up to maximum capacity multimedia card की कितनी होती है 512 GB 512 GB. So option number C is true. Fourth one is the storage capacity of a DVD varies from dash to dash. So 4.7 GB to 17 GB. So write 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Okay, yes. So define the term input devices and name any two. Definition of input devices is the devices, right answer, the devices through which we enter data and instructions are called input devices. And name any two input devices. The two input devices are keyboard. First one is keyboard and second one is mouse. Keyboard, second one is mouse. What is a printer? And name the types of the printer. Printer is an important part of a computer system. Printer is an important part of computer system. It prints the output onto the paper. It prints the output onto the paper. The output onto the paper. Types of printers are first one is dot matrix printer. Second one is inkjet printer. and third one is laser printer. Yes. And what do you understand by computer memory? Memory is one of the basic function. Memory is one of the basic function. One of the basic function of a computer. Because without it, बिना मेमोरी के कुछ पॉसिबल है? Because without it, a computer would not be able to function properly. अगर आपके पास ही मेमोरी आपकी नहीं रहेगी तो आपका कुछ काम करना पॉसिबल है नहीं है, राइट? As it is in a computer, memory is one of the basic function of a computer, because without it, a computer would not be able to function properly. Two types of memories are there. Two types